Sveta maybe people know me as a Sveta bird. I'm 32 years old actually now. Wow. And I dance contact about 10 years already. And now I'm at Moldovan Contact Festival. And what else? Favorite festival. I don't know, maybe because of the place. I have lots of stories in my past which are connected to Chisinau, and also I love the organizers, which are my good friends. Это то, все наше пространство, куда мы можем притянуться, включая наше тело, и то, что вокруг нас, куда мы можем как бы физически нашим телом достать. Да? My method is, it's like, it comes from other teachers which I learned from. And for the beginning, when I was trying to teach, it was like I was just giving something that I learned from the person, not really going with that knowledge. I didn't really let it go inside my body. I didn't really like stay with this for long. And then I felt that it's somehow untrue, maybe, that I need to bring it inside my own body to try to live with it, maybe to change it a bit somehow. And then it comes like this: you learn something and then you dance with it, you live with it, you move with it, and then it comes maybe a bit different way. But everything what I teach, I take from other teachers. What extra we can let go? What we don't need to hold? It's my life. It's not my hobby. It's like everything connected to contact in my life now. Although I wouldn't even separate it. Everything is just somehow connected. All these festivals, meetings, people, teachers.
И не нужно ничего придумать, потому что форма уже там существует, вопрос, ну что залезть.
And we don't need to create anything, the shape already exists there, we just need to get inside of there.
Ваше тело точно видит эту форму и...
And your body really sees the shape and just wants it.